And Benitez. Ay, first position kay Martinez. Masyadong malakas ang pasa niya kay Tawag. Ay, hindi mga swipe. Sa ilalim, maganda na takas na doon. Reverse layup. Sabihan, David. Maydo. Tawag. Ay, tira pa. Ipasa na yung out. Bautista grabs the rebound. So, with that cross-court pass. Kick out. There's number 9 on the ball. Big drive. Pinigay ka Bautista. Inside of the glass. No offensive rebound sa kanilang pala. Shot lang. Ay, nanagawa na kayo dagod. Tawa-tawa situation. Dagod to Martinez. Martinez gets the basket. And the foul. Bonus shot.
Parang may punching na...
Martinez complete the 3-point play. Tiyarik sa kanya. Ganda na kan. Binalik. Lumabas. Ay! Still na naman yung Martinez. Pero kapalik ang bola sa kanila. 10 seconds sa shot clock. Double tip. Nahihirapan. Shot clock down to 5. Carino. Basa dito. No! Let go. Dapat yung rebound. Dapat. Big pass. Dapat pa rin. Lampas. Benitez. Ay! Wala pa naman foul. Foul. 17 foul. Ay, burst na ni Benitez. Pangalawa ang foul po slow ni Benitez. Uy, parehas supply. Cross-court pass. Carino sa corner. Dinala kay Carino. Fakes. Carino. Drop pass. Nabitawan. There's number 77. Nakita sa ilalim. Oh, may foul. Team foul. Looking. Kick out. Corner three! Bentulan! No! Peso free mo ni Bautista. Ganda naman ang cut na yun! Pero hindi na kompleto. Dagot, nakawis mo Martinez. Ang Alcantara naman! Nice pass by Alcantara. Patulo kay Benitez. 30 seconds. Inside. Bautista. Hey! Dagot for a steal! Alcantara. Benitez! Maras Martinez. Carino, forward pass. Bautista, corner, baseline drive. Bautista making goals up. Wala pa na foul. Big Cruz, para kay Bautista. First throw ni Bautista, yes. Second throw ni Bautista. Yes, 2 for 2 para kay Bautista. Dagot. Against Carino, love pass. Big Alcantara, a lot of making goals up. Alcantara, score! Bentulan. Ay, nice pass! Dagot. 15 seconds si shot clock. Lampas to Alcantara. Nagkitawa naman naman na recover na ulit. 10 seconds shot clock. Dagot runs. Dagot! Adjustment dito. Pero di pumasok ang tira niya. Forward pass. Bentulan. Eurostep. Pinakompleto. Without Benitez. Martinez to Dagot. Dagot to Martinez. The stabber. No! Bautista grabs the rebound to Bentulan. Bentulan, estate. Bentulan, it pass 3. Hey, in and out. Dagot now. Looking. Inside. Alcantara. No! Martinez. Pinya Florida, bawat pass. Here is Martinez to Alcantara. Hey, back to Martinez. Martinez at Douglas. Carino. Oy, inside. Nice power ball. Hanakay. La pass. Hey. At bounce pass. Oy, walang tirinap. Box talaga doon na Benitez. Inside to Bautista. Oy! Carino. Shot up. Down to 10. Bautista. Benzo! Hit 9. For Benitez sa nakak. Dagot. Oy! Napaganda pa. basket and the foul. Foul Pina Florida, 30 foul na, bonus shot. Ay, balik lang sa ring. Bitulan, to Carino, back to Bitulan. Bitulan looking, oy! Stolen yung pasa, forward pass to Martinez. Martinez all the way! Layup is good. There's Carino, Carino babawi. Carino, naglag niya sa ilalim. Ang dami nakapayo. Binigay kay Bautista. Ayaw na tuluyan. Oy! Got the steal by Bautista. Here's Bitulan. Hesitant. Bitulan, nalong pass. Instead of fake. Fake. Pinasa. Wala ba na? Bautista. Pasa prima. Bautista. He goes up. Wala. Pero may foul. First. Second row, yes, Sabe. That's 30. Martinez. Fires a three, no. Bitulan on the run. Bitulan on the run. Bitulan mag-50 step. Bitulan scores. Last 17 seconds. Martinez. Cross-court pass. Papa. All day to shoot. No. Let's go. Hey. Second quarter. Bounce pass. Oh, what a crossover. Corner jumper. That's good. Dago dumingin na screen. 50 seconds inside. Oh, ganda naman nakawala na yun. Puntos para kay Roberto. Back. Oy! Inside ka na saan? First team fouls, second. One Bautista. Stop. Yes. It is down to 2 again. Dagot inside. Benitez against Bautista. Dagot, lampas. Hey! Anticipate. Bautista now. Bigay sa point guard nila. Down the lane. Ay! Anticipate din. Dagot all alone. For the layup.
17-13. Namang ang team Yagat.
Inside, Bautista. Elbow jumper tapos. Dagot. Cross-court pass. Martinez. He fires a three. Yes, sir! Martinez. DJ man. Dagot daw. Nakita na buwang. Tumapa. Back to Dagot. Inside to Benitez against Bautista. Benitez. Mga kalabaw. Wala ang tira niya. Happy ka na bola. Nakuha pa rin nila. Ay, loses the ball. Nakuha ni Humol. Ay, Dagot. Candy. Ni Martinez. Martinez. Block jumper. No. Benitez. Punta. Ayaw. Turmenta pa. Turmenta. Turmenta. Goes up. May goal na wala. 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Mapa. Ay, corner. Lapas. Ay! Number 2. Di na inaasahan. New ball. Right pick and roll. Nice pass. Extra pass. Ay! Pentecostes. Di pumasok ang buong buko. Dapat ni Pirmeto. Ayaw to Dagot. To Martinez. Martinez. Ay! Ina-pektus. Di ko magat. 4 minutes inside to Bautista. Oh, hindi na mo. Hiningin ni Bautista sa poste. Kumat si DJ. Oy! May foul na naman! First throw. No. Last throw. Ay, won't go. Dapat na buwang. Gabayan. Block jumper. No. Tapik. Kawaw ni Dagot. Dagot! Saan na mo natin? Nine na shot. Bago na gabayan. Back to Dagot. Back to gabayan. Yung Pacharap. No. Kanila pa rin. Dagot. Scores. Inside to Bautista. Take pass. Bautista makakalabaw. 8 seconds sa shot. Martinez will steal. Dagot. Dagot. All the way.
26-13. Namang ang
Just 15 seconds sa shot. Newman pinapahirapan ni Dagot. Newman skip the defense. 10 seconds sa shot. Stolen namin yung pasa. New ball. That's 5 second shot clock. Pinya Florida attack. Giga corner 3. New ball. There. Forward pass to Martinez. Out the way. Cross court pass to New ball. Sa quarter. Kick out pass. Balik ulit. New ball. Isa pa raw. This time. New ball. He cuts at the goal. Here's Tagot. Cross court pass. Gabaya, nice pass, Martinez, nice shot! Martinez with a one-hander. Florida now. Pinya Florida on the move. Pinya Florida attacks. Pinya Florida denied the shot. Dahil na naman pass, may pass na naman si Martinez. Martinez all the way. Humor, pinapirapin na ako. Tago na naman. And naman ang pass break. All alone. Drago seconds. Cross court pass. Lumaran. No. Pass. Ay, na naman si Martinez. Gets away. Yun na naman si Tagot. Tagot. Laser up. Laser in. May dito sa bra. Sumugod si Florida. Fake. Pinya Florida. Alala fake. Binigit ni Humor. Humor fake. Binigay. Tensa Zata. Nice fake. Laser up. Laser in. Last 15 seconds, you know. Martinez, 10 seconds. Gabayan, he puts it up. He puts it in. Gabayan. Tama pa, tuloy-tuloy. Yes, sir. Dagot pass to Gabayan. Gabayan binalik kay Dagot. 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Time to shoot. Shot clock, down to 5. Traveling violation. Vitola. No good. Bautista wala pa rin. Ako ni Bautista. Last foul. Last 2 minutes.
Rep. Center ka din kanina rep.
For one last 2 minutes and 58 seconds. Bound Rosales. Down to 14. 8. Bintulan pass to 8. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Dago. Last 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Last 5. Last 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Pinya Florida. Drop the shoot. Tony Cabrian. 1 minute and pass to Pinya Florida. Bentulan. Go forward. Down to 12. Tony Martinez. Seconds. Dagon. Good for 2. Hey, it's a foul for fall down. Alcantara second personal foul, warning for penalty. Cablian, no good. Rebound by Gabayan. Gabayan pass to Rosales. Last 1 minute and 4 seconds. Basket count. Respect. Shut up. Down to 15. 50 seconds. Basket. Respect. 40 seconds.
Align na kayo, align.
Good for 2 by Alcantara. 33 seconds. 8 seconds.
Rep, tinan nyo, align na kayo. Pakita ka na, pakita.
Now, good for 2. Last 15. Diba by Rosales? Last 10. 5. Yan na.
2. 53 in favor of Villagas. No good. Rosales pass to Benitez. Good towards it. It's it up. Hey. 14 to shoot. 10. No good. Rebound by Rosales. 8. Rosales, no good. Rebound. Benitez. Good for 2. Yes. 14 to shoot. Yumol, no good. That's all. Pass to Rosales. Center na ng pampasahan. Benitez, pass to Martinez. No good. Rebound. Last. Good for 2 by Carrillo. And to shoot. 5 to shoot. Traveling violation. Yul. No good. Rebound. Juan Rosales. 4 minutes and 43 seconds. Good for 2. Back. Rebound. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Last 14 to shoot. Back to reprice by Carrillo. The score 41-59. Pampas sa 18. Ay, 40 lang pala. Sorry. This is 11. 5 to shoot. Back. Good for 2 by the goal. 14 to shoot. Good for 2. 3 minutes. Bautista, pumukol sa 3. No good. Agawa ng buko ng Juan Rosales. Basto Martinez. Ay! Okay. Wait, dyan. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Bertulan, no good. Rebound by Benitez. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 34 seconds.